I'm Gordon Ashton, the general editor and a contributor to this book, Mental Capacity, Law and Practice, and I'm going to tell you why we wrote it and what it offers to you. I was a solicitor in general practice for more than 25 years, dealing largely with elderly clients in a small community. But my wife and I had a son with severe learning disabilities, and I had to encounter areas of law which I wouldn't otherwise have had to worry about and help other parents. So I realised that although there were procedures for financial management for people who lack capacity, there was a legal vacuum for personal welfare and healthcare decisions. I joined the Law Society Mental Health and Disability Committee. I subsequently participated in Law Commission consultations on this topic and wrote my first book, Mental Handicap and the Law. In 1992, I became a district judge and found myself involved in training judges on disability issues generally. Subsequently, I became a deputy master of the former Court of Protection to hear cases in the north of England, and after the Mental Capacity Act was enacted, I was involved in implementing the new Court of Protection. It was in that capacity that I realised there was a need for a book about the new jurisdiction. So I involved three colleagues, Penny Letts, who was then writing the Code of Practice, Lawrence Oates, who was then the official solicitor, and Martin Terrell, an experienced legal practitioner. I'd been involved with, as a contributor for Jordan's Red Book, the Family Court Practice, so involved them as publishers for the book Mental Capacity, the New Law. Subsequently, I became a nominated judge of the new Court of Protection and realised that a practice book was required, so developed our existing book, joined by District Judge Mark Marin, into the Blue Book. That's the Court of Protection Practice, first published in 2009 and then published yearly. Alec Ruck-Keene at that stage replaced Lawrence Oates. But the Blue Book was expensive and there was still the need for a basic textbook, and hence we developed our initial book into Mental Capacity, Law and Practice and called it the second edition. That is the background to what is now the third edition, in which Claire Van Overdyk has replaced Penny and Adrian Ward, a Scottish solicitor, has included an explanation of Scottish law. If you're seeking an inexpensive volume dealing comprehensively with the mental capacity jurisdiction, you may find this to be a suitable choice. There are chapters on the background to the legislation, an overview of the Act, lasting powers of attorney, powers of the court, healthcare and welfare, deprivation of liberty safeguards, court practice and procedure, and the public guardian, official solicitor and supporting services. In fact, virtually everything you need on this topic. Thank you.